In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change profile picture on a Roblox PC. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. You will be able to change your profile picture either on the Roblox website or the launcher. I recommend that you do it on the launcher or the Roblox player instead of the website, but I'm gonna showcase both. So first, if you want to do it on the actual Roblox player, just click on the avatar option over here to the left. You will be able to browse through all the items that you have and change between them. Now I'm gonna go ahead and switch over to customize, and now I'm gonna browse through my items. To demonstrate this, I'm gonna change the color of my hair. So in my current avatar, I have this yellow hair here. So I'm gonna put on this brown hair, and I'm gonna try to take away these glasses. You will be able to change anything that you wish. So you can change the faces, change the torso, and so on. Change whatever you wish for it to be displayed on the actual avatar, and you will be able to see the changes take effect. So once you have equipped or unequipped everything that you wish to see on your avatar, you will be able to save this. Once this is done, you just have to back out and it should automatically save. So the avatar is going to update, and if you look now, this avatar doesn't have the glasses anymore. If you wish to change the pose, click on this little icon here, and now you will be able to do it. So I'm gonna try out this hello pose because I think the differences will be very noticeable, and you can change the profile picture from here. I'm gonna take away the zoom, and I'm gonna leave it like this. Make sure that you save, and now everyone will be able to see the new avatar that you have made. Like I said, you can also do this process on the website, and the changes will be reflected here. So as you can clearly notice, this is the avatar that I made. If you try to change the avatar or the profile picture on the website, you just go over here to the menu and you click on this option, but to my knowledge, you will not be able to actually do the pose. You can change the item, so for example, I can put on these aviators and the changes will be reflected immediately, but you will not be able to change the pose. So if you want to change the pose, you have to open the actual Roblox player. I hope I was able to help you on how to change your profile picture on Roblox PC. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.